Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we're back with another video. So today's video we are installing this gorgeous chocolate brown on chocolate brown on chocolate brown unit from Asteria Hair. If y'all want the details on this unit and you want this full install process that achieved this non-existent lace, honey, okay, then stick around. But before you go, as always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in a few.
Best friend, be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself.
Alrighty, so like I said earlier, today we are working with Asteria Hair again. I feel like it's been a little second since I worked with them, but I'm excited because I think today we're doing a chocolate brown install, which is why I'm wearing brown. You know, usually I'd be wearing a lot of black, but you know, I got a brown on the brown on the brown, you know? Okay. So yes, I'm very excited. I think we're going to do some curls today. So I'm pretty sure I'll be bringing up my wig head because I'm not trying to figure out the whole curls on my head right now. Like I just don't need another burn. So yeah, let's unbox this. Let's get into it. Let's get cute. Ooh, cute. Okay, it looks like we're working with 180% density, 13x4 frontal, 24 inches. We have ourselves an Asteria Hair wig band, an edge brush, and some wig caps. Let's open up the wig. Look how neatly this is packaged. First of all, I thought I was gonna have to curl this, but I don't have to because it came curled. I didn't know it was gonna, you know how they say it come curled and then it's like a loose body wave, and like, that's not the curls that I wanted to go for. No, it really came curled. Like, these are ringlets. Look at this. Wow, so all I have to do is do my little part and we're done. This hairline is beautifully pre-plucked, like pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-bleached, pre-everything. Oh my God. Oh nah, y'all snapped on this one. Yeah, we need to go ahead and put this on right now. Okay, so I might not even need the wig head. I thought I was gonna have to curl and wow. They just saved me so much time because I'm actually running really behind and I have a Fashion Nova haul to film after this. I'll put my latest one up in the corner so you can go watch that. But I have a Fashion Nova haul to film and I literally decided to sleep in and I'm like, it's okay, I can do another hour. Can't do another hour. No. So I literally have not eaten and I started doing my makeup late and now I'm running behind. And this just saved me so much time because I allocated myself like 2 hours for this install. Don't even need that because I'm not curling the hair anymore. Now all I gotta do is tint this lace and put this baby on. Lace is tinted. Let me just show y'all what this lace looks like up against my skin. Gorgeous. Like, look at that hairline. That's amazing. So we about to do this install real quick. This might be the quickest install I got. Nah, I'm kidding. I feel like I haven't done a frontal install in a really long time. I'm like forgetting the steps that I usually take when I'm doing these. So I'm just gonna pin the hair back so we can cut these earpieces. This hair is so pretty and it's so soft, buttery soft. Like, I didn't want to run my fingers through it and separate the curls yet, but I just need to show y'all, like, this hair is so soft. And we can take out these clips. I'm gonna be using spray adhesive for this because this lace is thin, so I think we should be able to do like a, you know, like a glueless spray adhesive type of install today. Just gonna spray some directly on my forehead and just rub that across. All right, so I've done a couple layers of glue. So now I'm just gonna wait for this to get tacky and we can place the wig on. So the first step is gonna be to get the middle placed where we want it. We're gonna pull that down nice and far, like so. And then of course the sides. Now I'm gonna bring out my brush and just start pushing the lace into the glue. We really want to make sure that this lace gets stuck as much as possible the first time. Because adding glue after the fact can be so annoying. And again, just continuously pushing the lace in until it starts to feel stuck. So I just keep repeating the steps on both sides until I'm satisfied. And just to make things faster for myself, I think I'm gonna cut the lace now before I put on the wig band. Cute. Okay, so I'm gonna get back out my clips, get this hair out the way. I'm gonna cut the middle of the lace. I'm gonna take the end of the razor and just free up any parts that aren't supposed to be glued down before I start cutting. We're gonna start with this side. Okay, one side done. Okay, so now that my lace is cut on both sides, I'm gonna bring out my little wig band that Asteria so kindly sent me. And I'm going to secure my lace. Let's check out these curls. I definitely think we could use some layering. So I'm gonna get started on that after I do this side. See, even just that subtle layering right there added so much. Like, that's literally perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for. But of course I'm gonna keep going. Yeah, that's much better. Much, much better. This hair works so well with heat. Like, I barely even touched the hot comb to it and it's already melting. So, in a good way, not in the plasticky way, you know, because this is human hair. So it doesn't even need much heat to cooperate, which is great. See that? Didn't even need much. This literally looks like scalp under here. But this plucking is gorgeous. When a wig say it comes pre-plucked, this is what it needs to come looking like. Or don't even bother. Okay, I think we're good on the hot combing for now. Let's take off our wig band and see where this lace is at. No words. Mwah. No bars. We are going to add a little bit of holding spritz just to get rid of any lingering white lines of demarcation. We should get the hair off of our face. I'm just going to press that directly into the lace with my fingers. And then we're going to let that dry down. And then we're going to bring back out our cream foundation and a small brush and just tint any pieces of lace that are still a little too light. All right, so now my lace is nice and melted. You don't even need to highlight the part because this plucking is just so gorgeous, but it's just like, it wouldn't feel like me if I didn't do it, you know? I'll just do a little bit just to make my line look a little bit cleaner. Oh, it's just too gorgeous. Now I'm just gonna make sure my layering is even, because when you layer with an eyebrow razor, it can be a little bit uneven. So I'm just going to clean that up a little bit. I just feel like sometimes that can make the curls look a little bit cleaner and just like the hair in general. It's so cute. And there'd just be some, I don't know if like this is y'all too, but there'd just be some days where I just be razor and scissor happy when it comes to my hair. Like I just be wanting to play. Today is one of those days. And I feel like that just cleaned up the curls, the layering, the hair, everything. Like, I don't know, it just looks so much better now. Yeah, the hair quality, the lace quality, the wig is just perfect. Oh my God, it's just so cute. Asteria girl, looks like y'all have done it again. It looks like y'all have done it again. Like, look at this color. Oh my God. The install just turned out so perfect with so little effort. And that is a testament to a good wig, okay? Good lace, good hair quality, good pre-plucking, good bleaching, good all of it. Let me give y'all the details on this unit because I just know you're gonna wanna pick up one. This is Asteria Hair's chocolate brown human hair invisible lace front wig. I got mine in a 13x4 HD invisible lace and 24 inches. I layered and cut just a little bit, but it's still like very long, which means it was a true 24 inches when I got it. I also got it body waved, and it didn't come like waved. It came corkscrew curled. We love that because once you comb it out, then the work is already done for you. Total price for all those specifications would be $328.98. For a wig of this quality, yeah, it's worth the money. It's worth every penny. It's absolutely worth it. All right. That is it. That is all. I hope y'all enjoyed this install. I hope y'all about to go pick up one for yourself. Huge shout out to Asteria Hair for sending me this unit. I'm in love. I'm absolutely in love. I have no words. Mwah. No bars. If you guys enjoyed watching me install this gorgeous unit, then go ahead and leave me a like on the video and comment down below what you think of this brown on brown on brown honey, okay? Of course, as always, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel so I can continue to do what I love what I do, and all of that good stuff. Thank y'all so much for watching. As always, it's your girl Mina. Y'all have a good day.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never be more myself.